Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to clear Google Cloud storage. All right. So for this example, we're going to be using Google Cloud. And if you wanted to delete your storage from Google Drive, I'm going to show you an example later as well. All right. So first up, under Google Cloud, just go ahead and go to the top left and click on the three horizontal lines. Now in here, go to Cloud Storage, and you will be able to see your buckets. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead and locate the bucket or click on a bucket that has the object that you wanted to delete. All right. For example, this bucket right here. Okay. As you can see, I have this one file. Now we'll go ahead over to the three dots right here. You won't be able to see a delete button. Now to delete this one, you'll have to click on the file itself. Now, as you can see here, we now have the delete button. All right. You can go ahead and click on delete, but it just deletes one file. Now, what if you wanted to delete multiple files? All you have to do is just click on a tick box like so. If you have multiple files right here, just click on the tick box, and once done, go to the top, and here we have the delete function. All right. You can just easily click on delete, and once done, you're good to go. Now for Google Drive, just go ahead over to drive.google.com. Like so, hit on enter. Now in here, just go ahead and right click on a file and hit on delete or remove the trash. Now once done, go ahead over to trash. And if you want to delete it like forever, just click on empty trash right here. And once done, you're good to go as well. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.